Auckland, it's beautiful, isn't it? You'd think showing it off would be a dream job, and it is, except, well, which Auckland are we talking about? Is it the Auckland that straddles two magnificent harbours, which some people call the City of Sails? Beyond lies the Gulf of Hauraki with its many islands, some of them home to vineyards and fine restaurants. Then there's this Auckland, the rugged west coast, where you're as likely to meet a seal as see another person. 20 minutes ago, I was standing by the Auckland Harbour. That's the thing about Auckland. There's so much to it. It's like a whole country in one city. I could step off this beach and in no time at all be sitting in a world-class restaurant back in the city. I mean, there's plenty to choose from. And you can certainly work up an appetite when a walk in wild native forest is no distance away. It's amazing to think that all this is in one place. But this is Auckland, a place I call home. So let me share a little more of it with you.
Yours.